good is this? It's a bloody goon afternoon. G'day all, off on another one. Aren't we, Pip, hey? Just stopped in at Offcampn, so there's a little rest area here on the highway. Stopping on, just going to put some sausage rolls in the travel oven. What's wrong, Pip? Oh, get that on. And we're about, oh, the sultanas are out. About an hour away from camp, which is Duggan Dam, so I'm going to have a night there. This trip, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Probably break it up into a couple of videos. So I've got one night Duggan Dam, 2 nights at Mungup Beach, 3 nights at Starvation Bay, then 4 nights at Mason Bay. And then on the way home I'll break the trip up again and I will stop at Duggan Dam. Depends on how I feel, if I might get going, dunno. Might have had enough by then. What are you doing, my pippy girl? Hey, you ready to get back in the car? Come on. Alright, so when we get to the dam, I'll show you that. A little bit different, isn't it? I've got the IMAX place. Pile there. Oh. Well, how bloody good is this? Hey? What do you reckon, Pip? It's pretty good, eh? I think I'll just do I'll just set up the rooftop tent. I don't know if I'll bother about the awning and all that. But I'm just, I need to get my priorities right here. How can I do this? I'm probably on the wrong side. Oh, smoky. And I need to, how can I do this? Yeah, let's turn that bad boy off. Oh, how good's that? Good bloody goon afternoon. Awesome. Alright, I'll set this up. I won't do any time lapse because it's going to take all of 30 seconds to really do it. And that's it. Job done. I'll get my chair out, I'll take Pippi's harness off, and she knows she can relax. And I'm going to enjoy this. Eat me sausage roll. It's 1 o'clock. I left at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 hours. GPS told me 3.5 hours. I only stopped once. Mind you, I was doing 95-ish. I don't care, I'm here now. So this is the start. Awesome. Only here for one night. I'll eat me sausage roll. I'm going to have a simple hamburger tonight for dinner. I made the patties, so they're going to be extra special. Yeah. You can hear stuff in the distance, machinery. Alright, talk to you later. Not sure if you can hear that. That's a train. Can't quite see them. I don't remember going over any train tracks. Oh, I just saw it. Oh yeah, it's up quite high. Oh. Let's give you a quick look around camp. The wind's up, so that's probably playing with the mic. If you've ever been wondering about these 30-litre draw fridge freezers from the Blue Building, I can tell you, they work. Just don't leave the fridge door open. I'll take you to the water tank. I'll just grab my drink. And because Pippi's so keen for a walk, aren't you, hey? You want to go for a walk? Yeah, okay. So dam, I'm up on the top section. Fit a few people up here. At least 3 or 4 rooftop tents, easy, or swags. Some ground down here. You can reverse into there, under the shade of the coolabah tree. I say to sort of leave this section for the locals because they use it. But it's Monday and I don't think anyone's coming. Do you want to come up here, Pip? So I'm assuming this is all the spill from when they've obviously dug the dam out. I don't know if that wind's getting the camera, but there's a little track that takes you around the water tank. There's a couple of camping spots over there as well. You can just reverse in with your van or whatever you've got. It's not bad. In the middle of nowhere. There's a bit of section up here. Top of the dam. That's a conveyor belt. I wonder how good that'll be. I reckon that would burn you. Friction. Even if you had heaps of water on there. Yeah. They got power running here from solar panels for a little pump over there, so I'm assuming that's to aerate it. Damn. There's a track going down there. Probably camp down there too. Yeah. Nice. I found it on wiki camps, but I can't open wikis because it's asking me to I suppose cable and water. I can't open wikis because they've updated and they've done their thing, and every time I log on my phone it asks me to enter my username and password, and I keep forgetting it because I have to change it all the time. Like the wikis that I've got on my computer at home works fine, but it's still the old version. Bloody good. It's a good camp. It's on Wiki, so I'm not giving it away. What do you reckon, Pip? Be nice in winter when those fields are all green. Oh, there you go. Short little view. I'm gonna go back and keep doing this. I'll only have a couple because I want an early start tomorrow. Hit the mulling up. Hopefully I'll get a camp because that's first in, first served. So, yeah. If not, plan B will be mulling up Caravan Park. Stayed there about 20 years ago. Has to be 20 years. You're driving there. Alright, I'll probably show you dinner. And then probably coffee in the morning when I pack up and leave. But it's an awesome spot. Google it. Got to be self-sufficient. There's nothing here. Well, there's a dam, but there's no loos, no anything else. I don't even know what's in that water tank. If the water's from the dam, wouldn't be very nice. Anyway, all good. It's turned out to be an awesome afternoon after Perth having all that rain. Look at the weather I've got. It's bloody awesome. All the birds are cruising around, chirping away. I'm just doing hamburgers for dinner tonight. I actually made these patties, so they've got a little bit of chili and spice and stuff like that. There's under that cheese. There's already a patty. I was going to throw an egg on, which they're done now, and then I'll throw some salad on, and I'll show you when they're done. Give me 2 secs. All right, so dinner done. Hamburgers. Hamburger patties, homemade, cheese and some coleslaw. Got 2 of those bad boys with egg, and I'll wait for that to cool down. Pippi can have that with her biscuits. Can you hear the chatter? This is actually a beautiful spot. It's awesome. Sun's going down. I've got my thermocell on. Oh shit, where's that? Where'd I put that? Thermocell. Oh, there, sorry. Boom. I can put him back over here. Oh, that's hot. Because the mozzie started to come out and I don't want to put tracky pants on because it's quite warm still. Alright, Pip. I'll wait for yours to cool down, mate. I'm going to start chowing down on mine. Are you right with that? My Pippi gal. Hey, you. Stop eating ants. Alright. Good times. Cheers. Well, good bloody morning. That's it, all packed up. Get last minute checks. And we're good to go. So, had an awesome sleep. Didn't really hear anything. I only had 1 train yesterday. I was hoping for another one last night, but that never happened. Stars were so bright, it was awesome. There's a bee. Whoop. Pippi's all strapped in, ready to go. Car's all warm. Time to hit the road.